Jai Srimanarayana. Sixth sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Na tat bhasayate suryo na sesanko na pavakaha यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. ॐ Realize that, always remember that, as and how a small light cannot illuminate sun, a small light cannot show the sun, so also no sun, no moon, no Agni can show yourself. They are incapable of illuminating yourself, that is your original state. So from now onwards, keep on craving to attain your original state, that is called Atma Sakshatkaram, wherefrom you do not have to come back to this cycle of birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on craving to attain my original state, wherefrom I do not have to come back to this cycle of birth and death. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukhamukhadam mrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapetaकृत्यam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 294th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma doing his Tandava Nrutyam on Kaliya's hoods. Kaliya's total strength has gone down, and he is now realizing that the one who is doing Tandavam is none other than Sakshat Sriman-Narayana." And then Kaliya, within his mind, he surrendered to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Krishnasya garbha jagataha atibharaha avasannam parshni prahara parirugna phanaha. Because of Krishna's pressing with his feet, Kaliya's all the hoods, all the heads gone totally weak. Because Krishna Paramatma carrying samasta Brahmandam within his stomach, and Kaliya is unable to bear the heaviness of Krishna. Kaliya's proudness is totally gone. And then Kaliya's wives, they have seen how much Kaliya is suffering, and they started running towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. When they were running, their ornaments, their garments were going here and there, and they have taken their children. Children also were crying. They have taken their children and came all the way. Adyam Upaseduhu came down to Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Purana Purusha. And then Bhartuhu Moksha Ipsavaha Saranadam Saranam Prapannaha. They started praying Sri Krishna Paramatma to save, to protect Kaliya. Kayam nidhaya bhuvibhutapatim pranemuhu. All the Kaliya's wives are doing Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is the master of all living beings. Bhaktin Kanchiri Gunamanin Gopala Chudamanin. Sri Krishna Paramatma is a manifestation, embodiment of all great qualities, divine qualities. Now Kaliya's wives are now doing namaskaram to such Sri Krishna Paramatma with all of their devotion, and having beautiful darshanam of Sri Krishna Paramatma with all of their devotion, and doing namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma with all of their devotion, and praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter 6th sloka. Natadbhasayate suryaha na shasanko na pavakaha yadgatva na nivartante taddhama paramam mama. Natadbhasayate suryo na shasanko na pavakaha yadgatva na nivartante taddhama paramam mama. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.